while I unbox second parcel I have here with me. But this is coming from China. So what do I have in here? Wow. This is bigger than I thought. It says the operating voltage 230 volts, maximum 250, 16 amps. Then wattage is 3680, and amps is 0 amps to 16 amps. Wow. Now I'm going to be using this device to check the amount of energy I consume on a daily basis with my solar system setup. Wow, this is huge. Huge. Stay tuned on this channel and I will be able to explain my experience with this device.